Hey guys, Russ here from Wilson Land Cattle Company. Today we're doing, it was going to be an unboxing video, but I already unboxed it, thought I hit the record button and I didn't. So we're just going to have to go from there. What we're looking at here today is an aftermarket battery for Ryobi tools. I already have this brand of battery. I've bought them in the past. They cost half the amount of what standard OEM batteries are. This here is a 9 amp battery, lithium ion, 9 amp, 162 watts. The battery model number is P109. Battery type, this is lithium ion, of course. It is made in China, as with all the other batteries. But this, it's from Vanon batteries. They make batteries for all kinds of places, or all kinds of equipment. And they make Greenwork batteries, they make Bosch, Milwaukee, DeWalt, you name it, they make it. If it's a name brand, they make a battery. Now, if I buy a 9 amp battery from Ryobi, it's going to cost me $124. This battery here cost $59.95. So that's almost, well, that's less than half of what Ryobi. And all the other ones that I have, they're good batteries. They have the battery level on it. And they have also sent me the battery charger too to work with. This battery charger is it's a pretty well-built battery charger compared to some of the other ones. It has the different light sync sequences on it. Solid red, blinky green light, that means it's charging. Which I don't expect for it to charge very long. And then this here will go clear or white, and then this here will go solid green whenever it's fully charged. But anyhow, let's throw this on my drill here and just see what it does. Here's a Ryobi battery. This one here has the indicator on. It's only 2 watts, but you can put it on here. Shit, that hurt. Okay. So where this here 9 amp battery comes in handy, we have a battery powered chainsaw, and we also have an 18 volt grinder, brushless grinder, and these bigger batteries work extremely well with that. That way you don't have to be changing batteries out quite as often, because a lot of times I'll take my grinder and go down into a steel pile that I have and just cut off what I need and bring up, versus having to bring all the steel up that I already I don't have to have up there. So I just cut off what I need and bring it up. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to show you that. I'll put links in the description below where you can get this battery, get their batteries. It's vanonbatteries.com is what it is. And I'll put links in the description down below so you can look these batteries up and possibly get batteries for yourself. Again, $59.95, I believe, is what this battery cost. Vanonbatteries.com. Okay, they have a 30-day return policy, fast delivery. I mean, these, whenever they said they were sending this to me, I had it like the next day. So they're very, very quick. Free shipping when you spend $30 plus, and then they have a 24-hour chat support line that, you know, if there's any problems, you can get a hold of them and figure that out. So let's go ahead and look here. Ryobi. They do DeWalt, Ryobi, Makita, Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Works, Craftsman, Hitachi, Bosch, Rigid, Ego, Metabo, Greenworks, Panasonic, and they don't have, yeah, they have the Ryobi. That was the second one I said. So we're going to look at the Ryobi battery. Ryobi batteries, the 9 amp battery, 2 of them are $117.99. So that's a pretty good deal, and it'd be free shipping on that. And let me see, there's one 9 amp battery, just a single battery for $62.99, which is a pretty good deal compared to the $124 if you were to buy a Ryobi battery in itself. They got tons of batteries. Now I'm gonna look their chargers up and see how much this charger cost, because I'm always conking out a charger. This charger is very, very inexpensive. It is $34.99, and it's for 18 volt to 12 volt lithium ion NiCad metal nickel NIMH. I forget what that stands for, but that's for those batteries. So you can get this whole setup for less than $100. So I highly recommend it. So far, I really, really like it. I don't have any way of load testing the battery or anything like that. But I've used this battery now, and it performs just as good as the regular Ryobi batteries, and there's probably a good chance they're made in the same location. I can't say that for sure, but it's definitely a possibility. So if you liked the video, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. So long.